Can I sit here? I don't know. Can you show me? Where is the nearest supermarket? Do you have a map? Can you speak slowly, please? I need help. I am lost. Call your father. Can I pay with cash? Can I pay with a credit card? Where can I buy a ticket? What time do you open? What time do you close? I would like some water. Can I get a receipt, please? What does this mean? Can you write it down? Do you have any recommendations? I'm looking for my pen. How far is it? I am here on vacation. I am here for work. Do you live here? What do you like to do? I like to read. I like to travel. I like to play tennis. Do you like music? What kind of music do you like? I like pop music. What is your favorite movie? My favorite movie is Inception. Where did you learn English? I learned English at school.
What time do you get up?
What time do you go to bed? Where are you going? I am going to the store. It's 7 o'clock. Do you have a car? Don't have, a car. Can I borrow your pen? What is your favorite hobby? My favorite hobby is reading. Do you like to cook? I like to cook. I don't like to cook. What do you do today? Do you like to read? How do you feel? I feel happy. I feel tired. What are you doing tomorrow? I am going to the beach tomorrow. I live in an apartment. How was your day? My day was good. Can you turn on the light? Can you turn off the light? What's the date today? Today is June 30th. Where did you go on vacation? I went to the mountains.